It is about 7:30 a.m. and all the kids are still in bed. And this is typically when I have my quiet time. I already drank my coffee, and this is when I like to pull out my planners and get things in order for the day and kind of figure out what our day is going to look like. Today is grocery shopping day, so I went ahead and made my grocery shopping list and made a meal plan. I don't really do New Year's resolutions, but if I did, one of them this year would be to meal plan a little bit more and go grocery shopping based on a meal plan rather than just going and getting all the stuff that we usually get in order to have our house stocked. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I spent a lot of this last year working on writing a cookbook. So I was not meal planning in the same way that I used to. And so I just want to get back into that. And this is my first meal plan for the new year. So I don't typically cook a new dinner every single night. We do a lot of leftovers, and I do allow the kids to kind of make their own meals. We'll make quesadillas and tortillas with peanut butter and honey and that kind of thing. And so I don't plan a meal for every night of the week. What I went ahead and did this time was plan 5 different meals. And honestly, I probably won't even make all 5 of them, but I wanted to just have the stuff on hand for all 5 meals, and then I can pick and choose what I want to make depending on what we're feeling like and what our schedule is like. The first one is I want to use my new Duo Crisp and make a roast chicken, and I like to do rice with the drippings from the chicken, which when you do it in the Instant Pot with the Duo Crisp, you get the drippings from the chicken right down into the pot, and so you can throw in your rice afterwards and some water, and it makes really yummy rice. And I'll probably do some roasted carrots with that, possibly roasted in the oven, possibly done in the air fryer. Just kind of depends on what I feel like at the time. The next meal on the meal plan is ham and black bean soup. I have a bunch of dry black beans that need to be used up, and we were gifted a ham over Christmas time, and that is in the freezer, so I'm going to pull that out and get it defrosted and get it chopped up and ready to use for meals. And I have some sour cream in the fridge that needs to be used, so we'll have sour cream with our soup. And the recipe I found is from sweetannas.com, and I'll put down in the description below any links to recipes I have. A lot of my meals I kind of just throw together, so I don't have recipes for everything, but whenever I do have a recipe, I will put it down in the description box. Next meal is a potato hash with ground beef and cabbage. Pretty self-explanatory. That's something that I just throw together, and it's so cheap and easy, and the kids always really like it. So that's a really big staple in our house. Next is some creamy chicken pot pie soup. It's not going to have like a crust like a pot pie, but it's going to just be kind of like the creamy chicken filling that you would have in a pot pie, and we're going to do almond flour crackers with that. And I wanted to mention that I'm going to be doing the roast chicken the first day, and I will have leftover chicken meat from that, which I'm planning on using for this. I also am planning on making some broth out of the carcass of the chicken, and that's what I'll be using for the pot pie. And then last meal I have on the plan is air fryer twice baked potatoes, and then some cut raw veggies like cucumbers and peppers. And the recipe is from upstaterambling.com. It's pretty simple, just potatoes, and they have bacon in the recipe, but I'll probably use ham that is left over from this ham here, and some potatoes, and you do sour cream, and it looks really good. So as far as prep to get all this going, the first thing I'm going to do after I go shopping is cook all of the potatoes, because I will be using potatoes for the hash, and a few for the soup, and then of course for the twice baked potatoes. I also like to have potatoes cooked and on hand in the fridge for breakfast, like if I want to do some home fries or hash brown type things for breakfast. It's just nice to have them already cooked in the fridge. It makes it so easy when you want to throw something together. And then the next thing that I'll prep after I make the first meal is to make the bone broth with the carcass. And then I just put on here defrost ham, because I should probably pull that out of the fridge right now, because it's a giant bone-in ham. So it's ready when I want to make the black bean soup. And I just threw together my grocery list based on that, as well as other stuff that we just need for breakfast and for snacks and for lunches. Greek yogurt makes an easy breakfast and easy snacks. Cheese sticks, Talia loves olives and pickles to snack on, so we're going to grab that. Yesterday, out of the blue, Renee asked me for celery because she wanted to make a celery stick with honey and raisins. And so I thought, hey, if the girl's asking for celery, I'm going to give her celery. And I needed that for the soup as well. So it works out just great. My husband has been really into kombucha recently. I used to brew it, and he used to say that he absolutely hated it and he would never enjoy kombucha, but he's changed his tune recently, which blows my mind still. So he really loves ginger kombucha. So I'm going to look for a box. They sometimes have the GTs and some other different brands. And so I'm going to check at Costco for that. I may not buy it there if it doesn't look like a good option, but I have that on my list to check on. I need some whole chickens, especially one for this meal, and hot dogs. That makes easy lunches, and Levi loves to munch on those, and they have the really good grass-fed, healthier hot dogs. Doesn't have added sugar and junk at Costco, so I'm going to try to grab some of those, and the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Not a huge list. It's not a giant stock up, but it will be what we need. I got my 3 helpers with me, Talia, Levi, and Renee. Cherry and Autumn are still at home. Uh-oh. Are you okay, Levi? He's fine.
Can you smile?
I also wanted to mention that I'm getting my Imperfect Produce box delivered tomorrow, so our list didn't have a lot of fruits and veggies on it, but you'll see that. I'll try to take a video of that and add it at the end of this video. Are you doing the list for me today? Are you being my big helper? Let's grab a bacon.
I'll get the bacon. Yes, bacon. And tomorrow, can we do bacon and scrambled eggs?
Probably.
Yeah.
Get some eggs, butter. I know it's cold. I did it so you didn't have to. You saying hi? You're so friendly. All right, we're completely out of butter, and I'm going to get one of each of these actually to stock up. The healthy butter and the other butter.
That's a lot of butter.
No, we're not getting nuggets. All right, these are great for cooking in the air fryer from frozen. Ooh. Why can't I get it out? Oh man, what in the world? Those are stuck. Grab a string cheese. It's right there. Yeah.
Wait, are they actually just cheese sticks?
Yeah.
Yay.
Cheese sticks, string cheese, it's the same thing.
Your late Christmas. No.
I usually like whole milk yogurt, but this is all they have today, so we'll just mix in some cream. That'll be enough to hold us till we can get to Trader Joe's. You want some cream cheese? Yeah? Does that look very tasty to you? We can sit next to you right here. All right, let's check out this kombucha. Ginger lemonade, plum, and Dr. Brew. Might try this one. Oh, it doesn't look like they have our baby sausages. We like the little baby hot dogs in this brand, but they don't have any today, so we'll just wait. We can just wait on that. Lots of chickens. Of course, we gotta get bananas for Levi.
Bananas.
We've been out of bananas for a few days. I don't know how the boy has survived. We gotta find some ripe ones that are ready to eat. And a big bag of carrots. Do you see the cucumbers, Tal? Oh, they're right there, next to the bell peppers.
Cucumbers. I need to catch us doing this.
All right, go ahead. Let's look at those. Come over here so I can see.
So, got bananas.
Oh, we need to get Levi's pork rinds. We're not going to get the hot dogs. We got the cream cheese and the carrots and the bell peppers.
Yeah.
Next thing I think is coffee.
Almond flour crackers, potatoes, hot dogs, all this excess stuff.
Yeah, you just draw a line through it. There you go. Yeah, we're going to get raisins, but this is your celery. This is a Talia impulse buy. Bacon crumbles. All right, you want to grab one of those packs of olives over there, the yellow and blue? That'll be enough olives to last you a long time. Let's go ahead and get 3 of these. we'll just stock up the pantry. I know, I sure wish they got those cheese ones back. Those were so good. But they just don't want to, I guess. They got these back. The cassava chips. We'll get a couple of those. Don't need those. Alright, these are supposed to go on sale next week, so we're just going to get one to hold us over. Is that what you want? A banana and pork rinds? And that would make your life better? Yeah, I think so. No. Oh, Levi just wants to eat everything. Self-checkout.
We found our first twin.
Are you just dying of starvation over here? Well, that'll help. Here is our giant Costco haul. It turned out a little bit bigger than I thought because of a couple impulse buys, and that's just the way it goes at Costco. And you guys should notice this cute painting that Autumn did of Poe. Looks just like him, doesn't it? So the things that we got were a package of beef patties. These are great for cooking in the air fryer from frozen. It makes for really easy meals. And some string cheese, a giant bag of potatoes, and I'm going to get this whole thing cooked up here hopefully today or maybe tomorrow, and then those will be ready for our meals. Pack of bacon for breakfasts, 5 dozen eggs, and a whole big pack of olives to get Talia stocked up because she loves to eat olives, and then she can snack on those whenever she wants to. I got 4 whole chickens since they were pretty small. When I do my roasted chicken dinner, we'll probably cook 2 of them at a time, and then I'll have the leftovers for the soup. Big thing of cream cheese, and then some veggies here, cucumbers, celery, and carrots. Talia's impulse buy of bacon crumbles. These will be good also for the loaded baked potatoes, the twice baked loaded whatever potato skins that we're doing this week. A big pack of 8 of the lemonade ginger kombucha. Hopefully my husband likes this. He really likes ginger, so hopefully he'll like this flavor. We haven't tried the Kirkland brand before. We got a bag of pork rinds, which of course have already been dipped into. 2 bags of the Siete grain-free tortilla chips. They're made with cassava flour, and of course that's already been dipped into as well. We can't go shopping without Levi trying several things that we buy right away. And then I got 3 boxes of the Simple Mills almond flour crackers, and if I had seen these ahead of time and knew they were going to be there, I probably wouldn't have gotten 3 just because they're both snacky things, but we'll just put them in the pantry and we'll be stocked up for a while. We got 4 packs of bananas, 1 big box of raisins, and then I was completely out of butter, so I got some of the regular just salted butter and some of the Kerrygold. That's what I kind of do. I get some of the really fancy, tasty, and healthy butter, and then get some of the regular also to keep it affordable and all that. And then the last few things here, I got the Greek yogurt that we'll mix with some heavy cream to make it not non-fat, and then a pack of bell peppers and a bag of coffee. And the total that we spent was $255.52. You got your cup? Did you want to get some raisins in your cup?
Yeah.
Come on, honey.
Come on, honey. Come on, honey. Just come on.
There we go. Is that just what you wanted so bad?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, wait it in there.
All right, go for it, girl. Sticky ants on a log. Oh no! Our Imperfect Produce box just got delivered, so let's open it up and I'll show you what we got. It wasn't a big, huge box this week. I got a couple of grocery items, but it's mostly fruits and veggies, actually mostly fruits. Oh, they gave me a purple cabbage. I didn't think it was going to be purple, but oh well, we'll make the best of that. All right, let's see here. I got 2 sets of 3 apples, and these are organic galas. Those are good. So 6 of those, and those all look really nice. Not imperfect at all. All right, Talia, I got something that you'll love.
Peaches?
No.
Plums. I love it.
Talia has earned the name of Watermelon Queen because she loves watermelon so much.
I love it.
And I got 2 bags of little mandarins. Let's see, it's probably like a pound. Yeah, 1 pound. And so 2 pounds of those. Those look nice. 1 purple cabbage. I got a set of 3 Asian pears. My husband really loves Asian pears, so I got those for him. And I got 2 sets of 3 of the avocados, and they're nice and hard still, so those will ripen up in the next few days. A bag of baby carrots. And then this was the grocery items that I got, I'm sure. Little pepperoni, petite Perrier pepperettes. Just little pepperonis. They looked really good. Figured I'd try them. They were cheap. It said they were... They had them and they were cheap because they changed their packaging, and this is the old packaging. So let's see, how many did I get? Oh, I got 3 of those. Those will just be a nice little snack. Wait, didn't I get 4? Oh. I thought I got 2 of each flavor, but maybe I just got 1 of this one. Flaco Paco and Petite Perrier. So that's our pretty small Imperfect Produce box for this week. It's mostly fruit because I got a lot of veggies at Costco. I don't remember what the total was for this box, but I am still working through credits from you guys signing up using my link. So it was free to me, but I will put up the cost of this box on the screen. Thanks for shopping with us today. We will see you again in the next video.